And okay, so bago tayo magsimula sa lab part, may natanggap niyo lahat yung calendar, no? Nakita niyo na yung calendar natin. Okay, so if kung titignan niyo yung calendar, so this meeting is supposedly for the laboratory part. And ang tawag dito, meron tayong mga itong mga makikita niyo rito ay mga suggested na na schedule. Okay? It doesn't mean na tawag dito, you're actually following the schedule, but suggested lang to para makahabol kayo dun sa due date ng experiment at saka ng first exam. Okay, again, recommended lang tong mga schedules na ito. So, hindi nyo kailangan i-pressure yung sarili nyo na nahabulin yan, especially if you have personal reasons or personal matters to attend to. Okay, so tawag dito, para malaman nyo rin kung magmi-meet tayo, sabi ko nga before, this class is conducted asynchronously, pero para malaman nyo kung magmi-meet tayo, I'm going to put something like this dun sa calendar. So nakalagay meet. Okay, at saka magsisend din ako ng email para sigurado. So ganun yung magiging sistema natin. Okay, so I hope magiging klaro yun in the future. Right now, after this meeting, wala pa tayong nakaschedule na meeting, but I was thinking na mag-meet tayo before ng due date ng experiment 1 and before ng due date ng first exam. Anong tingin nyo doon? Pwede mag-thumbs up na lang kayo or pwede nyo thumbs up kayo to agree or pwede kayo mag-unmute. Okay, so we can do that. So ibig sabihin mag-meet tayo ng October 1. Okay, so maybe not October 1 kasi meron ako actually yung bisita dyan. And may few days ako dito na hindi ako available. Okay, hanggang 5. So, let's meet na lang October 6, even though yung due date is October 6. Ano naman yan hanggang hating gabi yung submission niyo. Okay, so is that okay? So, lalagay ko na dito. Meet. And then it's also at 12 noon. Nangyari. Output submitted on before the due date for experiment exams lang po considered for bonus points. Yes. Tama. So again, magkakaroon lang kayo o mabibilang lang ito sa bonus points nyo if you have submitted on time or earlier. That is correct. Okay. Wala namang nakalog in sa kaya mabagal yung computer ko kasi dalawa yung pinapatakbo ko. Walang nakalog in sa Discord, so papatayin ko na lang muna itong sa Discord. Para bumilis-bilis ng konti. Okay, yeah. Another question. Yung quizzes, hindi nakasama sa bonus. Hindi. Magkaiba yung grading ng quizzes. So may sarili siyang category. So, if you take a look at yung natin ito. So, exams 40%, final exam 20%, laboratory reports. Hindi ko pa pala napalitan to. Ang exams, final exam, laboratory reports at saka quizzes lang yung meron. Then yung bonus points additional na 5% lang. Additional na 5% dito. So it's actually makukuha niyo is 105% maximum. Okay? So ganun yung mangyayari. So may separate na category for the quizzes. Okay. Saan na tayo? Okay, dun sa calendar. So mag-meet, next na meeting natin is October 6. And then due date for the first exam is 15. Pero we can meet on October 13. Okay, so meet October 13. Ilagay ko lang muna dito. Save. Okay, so we'll have 2 consecutive meetings on October 6 at October 13. October 6 is para sa any concerns niyo related sa experiment 1, and October 13 ay concerns niyo related sa first exam. Okay, so yan. I hope it's clear. Okay, so meron na yung quizzes po ba kailangan din gawin within due date to get bonus points? Hindi naman. So hindi ko bibilangin yung quizzes o yung ang tawag dito, kung nakapag-quiz kayo on time o hindi. For experiments and exams lang yun. Actually, hindi nyo mahahabol naman yung experiment tsaka yung exam kung hindi kayo sasagot ng quiz. So, anong tawag dito? So parang it follows na kung nahabol nyo yung exam, ibig sabihin nagawa nyo na rin yung quiz before. So, yeah. Okay. Good questions. Okay, so na-try nyo na bang subukan i-open ang MATLAB? Okay, dun sa mga hindi gumagamit ng MATLAB, it's fine. Tawag dito, naka-video naman to, so you can watch the video afterwards, and then when you team up with your partners, meron na kayo, at least meron kayo mako-contribute. So, na-try nyo na bang i-open yung Simulink? Thumbs up lang kayo kung na-try nyo na o hindi pa. Okay, so, okay, good. So, ngayon kailangan nyo nang mag-turn on ng mic sa tanong ko na to. How was your computer? Kumusta yung performance ng computer ninyo? Anybody who would like to comment on that? Kasi yung experience ko from yung previous na laboratory classes may mga iba na sa MATLAB okay lang yung computer nila, pero once they open up Simulink, medyo bumagal. Ganon din ba yung experience niyo? May mga ganon ba na ganon yung experience? Wala. Okay. So chat. Okay. Mabagal sa Simulink on-ramp sa website. Pero okay naman sa mismong MATLAB. So it could be, it could be due to yung internet access din. Yes, it's a problem. Okay, it takes 3 to 5 minutes bago mag-open yung Simulink. Then once ma-open ako siya, naghahang na yung laptop ko. Yes, that's actually a problem. Okay, sige. Inonote ko yun. Anybody else? Dun sa nagsabi na naghahang yung laptop. Could you also try doing it in dun sa online, MATLAB online? Okay, so if you go here, okay, matlab.mathworks.com. Yes, okay, sige. Yan, okay. So dito, pwede nyo rin i-open yung Simulink. Of course, ang magiging problema na lang dito ay yung internet. Okay, I understand na heavy talaga sa resources, sa computer resources yung MATLAB, but or especially yung Simulink. But ito lang yung pwede natin gawin sa laboratory. So, sinaga naman nung previous na klase, ayaw matyagaan nyo. So, dito lang yung Simulink. It's the same dun sa MATLAB. So, if you click this, it's exactly the same sa MATLAB kung ano mangyayari dun sa MATLAB. So, dito yung Simulink. Restricted. Review of concepts, introduction to phasors. No, it shouldn't be unless na ito. Oh, shoot. Ano itong tinanggal ko? Meron akong tinanggal. Sandali, ayusin natin na ngayon. Sige, habang inaasikaso ko to, ano yung concern, kung may iba pa kayong concerns. And yung, of course, yung feedback niyo dun sa Okay. Meron yata akong na-delete na topic kasi nag-revise ako so. Okay, so you should be able to access it now. Could you try accessing yung review of concepts and introduction to phasors? Okay, sige. Good. Thank you. Okay, so okay, so ang gagawin natin yan. Any other concerns before we proceed? Okay, so sino na sa inyo ang na-try ng i-open yung Simulink on-ramp? Okay, so pero hindi nyo pa natapos, obviously. Oh. Okay. So may mga nakatapos na. So pag natapos nyo na, you can submit it here. Dito. So dito. You just need to click itong introduction, di ba? So, kailangan nyo lang i-click yan. Pag na-click nyo na yan, mag-open itong pwede nyo lang ma-access itong part na ito, Simulink on-ramp certificate upload. So, i-click nyo lang, i-upload nyo lang yung certificate nyo. And I recall na may nagsabi na sa Physics 131 pa lang ginawa nyo na itong Simulink on-ramp. So, i-upload nyo lang din yung certificate nyo dito. Okay, then you can proceed with experiment 1. Okay? Dun sa mga hindi pa na try yun. So you can access yung Simulink on-ramp dito. And like I said, it will take you about approximately mga 2 hours to do it. Okay. So ito yung mga lessons. But it's not just actually Simulink that you're going to use. Ang gagamitin nyo is sub-program ng Simulink, which is called Simscape. Okay, so marami kasing iba pang yung Simulink. Okay, so nandiyan dyan. Yeah, so makikita nyo kung gaano katagal yung bawat course. Okay, and then just open nyo lang yung o click nyo lang to para mag-start yung course. So it will take you about 2 hours. Okay, so let's go to Simulink. Yeah. So makikita nyo na kahit sa computer ko medyo mabagal din siya. Okay, so when you click the button in Simulink, you'll get here. Okay, so ang click nyo lang itong blank model. Okay, so you can do this at the same time dun sa mga dun sa mga naka-open na yung MATLAB nila. Pwede niyo akong sabayan. So click nyo lang itong blank model. Yes, naglo-load pa rin. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so once na ma-open nyo na yung blank model, click nyo lang tong library browser. Okay, great. That's good to know. Okay, buti naman. Sa amin yung laboratory component experiment 1 introduction. Bakit? Okay, let me just take a look. Sandali lang. Sige, ayusin ko lang sandali.
Sir, never mind. Nasa panghuli po siya pala ng introduction.
Okay, so okay na.
Access na po.
Okay,
Opo,
okay,
thank you
good.
po.
Okay, good. Sige, okay, so let's again go back here. So, ang gagawin nyo ngayon is hanapin nyo yung Simscape. So, hanapin nyo dito yung Simscape. So, nandito siya sa baba. Ito. And then, hanapin nyo, i-click nyo yung electrical. Okay, sabihin nyo lang kung ano, kung gusto nyo ipaulit. Okay. I'm sorry. Simscape. Foundation library pala. Foundation library and then electrical. And then electrical elements. Okay? So dito makikita niyo na yung mga capacitors, diodes, and so on and so forth. Okay, so it's as easy as kung magko-cooperate yung computer ninyo, it will just be as easy as dragging yung electrical components. So let's try to build a network, resistor network. Yes. Okay, this one. Minsan mas mabilis pag nagpa-paste ka na lang. Okay, so yeah. Okay. And then, nalagay tayo ng capacitor. Pwede nyo i-rotate yan. So, right-click. Pag ni-right-click nyo yan, rotate and flip clockwise. Okay. And mapapansin nyo, may polarity din yung ano, no? May polarity din yung mga components. So, pwede natin zoom. Yan, okay. So, may mga polarity yung components. Okay, so importante na mailagay nyo yung tamang polarity. Okay? And then, of course, kailangan natin ng power source. So we go back. So we just click this button and then electrical sources andito. So let's use an AC current source, AC voltage source. Okay. Okay, so yan na yung mga ating components. By the way, kailangan din natin ng ground. Electrical reference, lalagay din natin yan dito. So we only need one. Okay. So, and then i-connect na natin yung circuits. It's just as simple as dragging. Okay. Ganyan. Okay, and then on. So, of course, you can move this around kahit na naka-connect na sila. And then ito. Oops. Okay, and then of course, kailangan natin yung ground. Okay, so if you see these nodes, if you see these circles or nodes, then that means na connected na sila. Okay, so now we have an electrical circuit. So now we need to measure yung electrical circuits. Okay, so we go now to sensors, and we need we can measure actually yung both current sensor at saka yung current at saka yung voltage if we want to. So you can put as many voltage sensors as you like or as many current sensors as you like. So ganyan. So let's put 2 voltage sensors. Zoom out lang natin. And alam nyo naman na pag current, dapat they have to be in series. So let's measure yung current dito. So delete ko tong line na ito. And I'm going to put it here. And then connect yan. So naka-series na ngayon yung ating ammeter. And then for the voltage, let's put a voltage sensor here. So i-measure natin yung voltage after the resistor. Or yeah, dito banda. Okay, so for example, so at the output of the resistor. And then yung pangalawa, i-measure natin yung output voltage dito sa capacitor. Okay. Okay, then we need something, we need a meter or a scope para makita natin yung values. Okay, so first, we need to connect what is called the PS Simulink converter. So, saan natin makikita yung PS Simulink converter? So actually, kung alam nyo na kung anong hahanapin nyo, actually pwede nyo na i-type dito. Click nyo lang yan. Click, double click, tapos lagay nyo PS PS Simulink converter. Yeah, so, click ko na yan. So hindi nyo na, pagkabisado nyo na, or pag alam nyo na kung ano yung component na hanapin nyo, hindi nyo na kailangan pumunta dito. Just double click on yung Simulink na. Okay, so yeah, kailangan natin to for each sensor. So PS Simulink. Okay, dito. And PS Simulink. Okay, ano ginagawa nitong PS Simulink converter? Now, itong circuit kasi ninyo is in some sense putting out a analog signal and para mabasa ng mga sensors ng Simulink, kailangan i-convert siya into signals, so yun yung PS, and then into Simulink, which is yung software na ito, yung software dito. So it's a bit weird na hindi na nila diniretso, pero I guess it has something to do with yung coding nila. Finally, kailangan natin ng sensors. So let's hindi sensors. Anong tawag dito? Yung scope. Yan. Okay, so dito. Then we need another scope here. And another one here. Okay. Okay, we can rename yung scope na yun. So this is an ammeter. Okay, and then ito naman ay voltmeter 1, and then voltmeter 2. Okay, oops. And there's one more thing that we need, and that is the solver. Okay, now this is mandatory pagdating sa circuits solver configuration. So just put this anywhere. Connect nyo lang kahit saan. Okay. And that should be it. Okay, so now we are ready to run. So pag na-build nyo na yung circuit ninyo, pwede nyo nang i-run ito. Click nyo lang yung run. Palitan natin yung stop time. Gawin natin 0. Nag-run na siya. Actually, hindi pa pala ito pwede mag-run kasi hindi tayo naglagay ng values. So magpo-produce to ng errors. Okay, so halimbawa ito. Double-click. 1 volt peak to peak. So lagyan natin 12 volts. And then 60 hertz yung frequency. Okay. And then lagyan natin ito ng values. So default is 1. So let's put 1 kilo ohm. Apply. And then ito lagyan natin. Gawin natin 2.2 kilo ohm. Apply. And then ito 100 ohms for example. And then ito ay 1 nanofarad. Okay na yan. 1,000 microfarad. 1,000 nanofarad. 1 microfarad. Okay. So apply. Okay. And palitan natin ito ng 1 second lang. Time. Okay, stop time yan. Ibig sabihin it will run for 0 to 1 second. Okay. Then let's run this again. Okay, and let's click on yung ammeter. Double click natin yung ammeter. Okay, so we have this signal here from the ammeter. Okay, pwede nyong i-zoom yan. So, gusto nyo i-zoom in lang dito sa region na ito. Yan, para makita ninyo. Extents. Yan, okay. You can also measure yung values niya using this button here. Yep. So, merong may dalawang bars dito, 1 and 2. So, makikita nyo rin yung corresponding na values niya dyan. So, ito yung value ng 1, ito yung value ng 2. Dun sa point na ito, tsaka dun sa point na yan. Okay? So, you can move this. Sorry. Ulit. Ulitin natin. Let's zoom in again here. Okay, and then i-move natin itong so na yun. Okay, nawala yung ruler. Okay, so i-move natin ito ngayon. Kailangan ko lang tanggalin itong zoom dito. So i-move natin ito dito. Yan. Okay. So makikita nyo na And then makikita nyo, susundan nyo lang yung bilog. So yan, pag nilagay ko yan dyan, yung bilog na yan. Nandiyan yung yun na yung value nyo ngayon. So yung peak value niya is 3.718 milliamperes. So you can do that. And then you can do some other stuff here na pwede nyong paglaruan. Okay, let's try this. Igalaw natin ito dito konti. And then, ito. Zoom it. Zoom it. Okay, so pwede niyong malaman, for example, yung period. So, period is one. Yeah, ganyan. Okay, so this is one cycle. Okay, and ito yung frequency niya. So, ito yung frequency which is 60 Hz, di ba? Yung sinet natin kanina dito is 60 Hz. So, ito. So, AC voltage is 60 Hz. So, nakalagay dyan. 60 Hz. Okay, so, yun yung in-expect natin na frequency, di ba? Or 1 over period. So, yeah. Okay, and then your amplitude is 0.337. So, well, hindi actually yan yung amplitude. Yung amplitude should be with respect to zero value. Okay, so yeah, more or less yan yung amplitude. So, amplitude is 3.718 milliamperes. So, from here to there. Okay, yan yung value ng amplitude. Okay, no, ito nasa microamperes lang siya. Hindi siya mailagay sa zero kasi yan, may nakaset siya sa anong tawag dito? Naka-step siya. Naka-snap to data. Hindi naman. Okay. Yan, naka-snap to data siya. Oops, tanggalin na lang natin. As close as possible to zero. Okay, so yan. Okay, so yan. Okay, and then ganun din para sa voltmeter 1. And sa voltmeter 2. Okay. Weird. Okay. Anyway, bakit wala siyang voltage? Okay. Okay, anyway. So, at least yan. So, naipakita ko sa inyo kung paano gumamit ng Simulink. So, once it's up and running, medyo madali na siyang anuhin. Now, you can import this. So, pwede nyo i-print dito. Pwedeng print to figure. Okay, and tawag dito, pwede nyo paglaruan din yung yung layout. For example, hindi yan. View. Ito, configuration properties. So, time, yung display, so pwede kayo maglagay ng title, current versus time. Okay, so yung makikita nyo na lumitaw siya dito sa ibabaw. Okay, and pwede palitan nyo yung style. So halimbawa, gusto nyo na yung figure color is puti. Yan, apply. Yan. Oops. And then yung axis color is puti din, and then apply. Yan, ganyan. Pwede nyo palitan yung kulay. Okay, so parang MATLAB lang din, di ba? Okay, so, and then yung simulation, can rerun it and so on and so forth. Then dito rin sa settings. Okay, so just when you start this, just play around with it. Tignan niyo kung ano yung mga features na available dito. Okay, and tawag dito yan. So, okay, then syempre kailangan nyo i-save it. So when you save it, it will be saved as an SLX file. Okay, so yan yung extension niya, SLX. Just type in your file name and then save it. Tapos yun yung isasubmit nyo sa akin. Okay. Okay. So, Any questions at this point? Walang questions. Okay lang. Okay, so ngayon, basically ganun lang yung gagawin ninyo sa ano. So ang talagang magiging issue lang dito ay yung ano, yung performance ng inyong computer. So okay, so any questions? So yan na yung para sa ano sa dito sa ano. Essentially yan yung experiment 1 ninyo, magbi-build lang kayo ng ano. Try nyo to i-build yung circuit and that's it. No need to analyze anything. It's just to build the circuit. Okay? So, finally, tignan natin tong group partners. So nakita nyo na ano, lahat kayo will have a chance to team up, to group with 4 of your classmates. Okay, so how does this work? Ang mangyayari dito is when you group with them, okay, is that yung isa sa inyo, so for example si Hani ay makipag-team up with Jemary. So si Hani ay pwedeng siya yung mag-set up ng Zoom meeting, and then isa-set up niya rin yung Simulink. Okay? And then of course Jemary has to know din yung Simulink. So kayo dito, Jemary, si Lou, Jerlyn, si Maxine, tsaka si JB, dapat naintindihan nyo rin kung paano nangyayari kung paano gamitin yung Simulink based on the videos. And then, tawag dito, kayo magpag-uusapan nyo kung paano i-build yung circuit, kung paano i-analyze yung circuit, and so on and so forth. O, kahit na isa lang yung nagtatrabaho. Now, yun yung para sa mga experiments 1 to 4. Para doon naman sa introduction, ang tawag dito, so itong sila, Honey, si Ice, si Carlo, at saka ano na nga ang pangalan mo? Bartolome. Kian, tama no? Okay, so kailangan yung gawin to twice. Once na kayo lang, and then the second time with them. Hayaan nyo lang sila na mag-go through dun sa ano. I mean, pakita nyo lang sa kanila kung anong nangyayari. Okay. Pero you have to log in using their account. Okay, para makakuha din sila ng certificate. Okay, under their name. Okay, doon lang kayo makakuha ng certificate if you log in with your own account. Okay, I hope na okay lang yun sa inyo. Okay, tulong nyo na yun sa mga klase nyo para dito sa course na ito. Okay, so itong first set of people na ito ay mag-work with these 4 twice. Okay, so that's how it's going to work. And then sa experiment 5, I let itong 4 na ito, I let them choose kung sino yung gusto nilang maka-work with. Okay. So is clear ba yun? Clear ba yun sa lahat? Okay. So kung clear yon, then ito lang yung pag-uusapan natin dito sa klase na ito. Unless you have other questions, then pwede na tayong mag-dismiss. Okay na? Sige, kung wala ng question, then ang next meeting natin ay October 6 na ulit. Of course, you're welcome to tawag dito, come during consultation hours. Okay. Pwede na tayo umalis. Pwede na kayo umalis.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.